Yo, cat gaming. Ooh, we got a fucking possible reversal already, M and Q. What's up, people? What's up? Yeah, we missed this one, huh? Well, that was 8:30. I'm assuming it was good if it rocketed up like that. Dirk, what's up, bro? MOO balance. That one I gotta look up for us, right? So we don't have to keep an eye on this short here. Damn, we might fucking not get enough juice here. Look in the 30-second. Come on, load up faster, bitch. Alright, I'm going in.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, it's already at the fucking... It's already at the blue. Be careful, it might reject here. Fuck. I might just take this as a loser. It just fucking jumped on me, man. Fuck. Turn the morning off right. Like. What a dumbass. See if it comes back down. We might get lucky. And honestly, it could be luck. You got that one? Come on, give me some luck. Honestly, like...
Order filled.
I don't care. I'll take that. It sucks. That sucks. Damn. There it goes. I was trying to write something down. I saw it, and I'm like, oh, let's get in. You know, even the 1 minute didn't pop yet, though, but there's no meat in the 1 minute. I knew it was going to fucking happen. MOO imbalance. Remind me to look that up for us. So maybe we can get a jump on that, right? If we can get a jump on that at the end of the day, maybe we can start making a little bit more money. You know, if we see that it's gonna be $1 billion, injection, then we can buy those huge dips or something. Maybe it'd be another strategy, end of day strategy. Woo! What pair? What future? I know you were looking for it, dude. M and Q. How did M and Q move when we got off? It had to be dead for a while. How was 3:30? Let's see. Oh, I'm so glad we got. There was our moon alien boys last night. This one would have took a while, dude. We would have been banging our heads last night. Sorry, my face got really itchy right there. That sucks. Let's see what this news was last night. Alright, U.S. continued jobless claims 1.939. Oh, it was fucking a little bit less. No, I'm still on, Texas. No, I'm just kidding. I went to sleep, yeah. I got off, what, 1:30? I didn't go to sleep till like 3 o'clock though, like a fucking asshole, just laying in bed. Fucking hate when that happens. I don't think London moved that much, dude. I mean, it moved 25 points. Actually, 20 points. This was the big move. About a 100-point move. Yeah, it fucking sucks. I hate when I go to bed and I just lay there. Bro, this sucks. I wish I held that. Ah, it hurts inside sometimes. It hurts, it hurts. Yeah, I didn't get to finish reading it all. It looks like everything was the same or better, including jobless claims, which was actually better. But we kind of needed that. I don't know. Christine, good morning. I know. I just closed it for like break even. I just I got nervous because it was such a huge candle. You know how it could, you know how it could possibly just reject off the blue. So, fuck. All right, gold's just chilling. Waiting. Amez, what's up, bro? You go to bed? PM. Were you on last night with us in that one trade? I know that you are holding one. Mrs. Powers, good morning. So last night, it was fucking, there was mad people in chat. JJFN. Alright, now it's going up. I was holding shirts on MNQ. How did gold play out? Shorts, sorry. Dude, we got a banger short last night. Everybody was challenging me. But you know what?
Daddy, that's all I'm gonna say.
Did gold? Oh, dude, gold was fucking terrible last night. I don't even want to talk about gold, but yeah, my gold did come back for a small win. But fuck, gold was. You know, from now on, I think we should just go lighter on gold. Like, just go. Like, we can still trade it, but like, because they do work out. But I think we should just go lighter. Agreed, agreed. Good. Damn. Don't do this today. Alright, let's just double check. What's next news is fucking nothing. Could be nothing, but there is a lot of things on that could happen on the back burner. So we have to pay attention to news. Too much like war stuff. Alright, Dow is moving. I'm like looking for something. It's gotta be something. about the Russell? Russell should be moving. Hmm. I mean, it kind of already came down. I don't know if I like that. Do. Just looking at Dow, it's mooning a bit. Nothing else is really moving, so. That 4-hour high. If we could take it, maybe we could short it. Yeah, I'm watching it right now. Just seen it. Almost at that 4-hour high. Hello from Nigeria. Alright, we're above that 4-hour high now. Now, how to play this? Because it's probably not going to give us one. But to be honest with you, didn't give the fair value gap yet either on the 30. So we might be able to play a little bit here. But I'm not going to go heavy. Maybe like 3, to be honest with you. So I'm looking at the Dow. Dow acts different sometimes, so if I enter, please enter way less than you would normally do it. That's my First warning. Because it's just steamrolling right now. And, who knows who wants to continue doing it. I need to, switch this to, like... Yeah, maybe this will be better. I can't fucking read everything. Holy shit. 46,000? Here we come? You think all day? Alright, gold's not doing shit, so... Load the fuck up today, bro. Bro, this is a short squeeze and a half. Oh, you said all day. Well, I'm about to short it. Not for much, though. And I realize that I could be wrong. Yeah, what's all-time high? Oh, boy. No, it's 301 points on the Dow. That happened today. And that would be bananas. That's 300 points. Patience, my brother. Patience. Patience, my brother. Thanks for the likes. Appreciate y'all. Oh, it's Lady Swan. Good morning. I mean, should we just do like little scalps? 10 seconds on this 30-second chart. Again, this could be a loser. This could be a loser. Warning.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Could be a loser. I'm just winging this one a tiny bit. Damn, we're at 2.618 right now. Next stop is up here, and this did this last night on something. I can't remember what it was. Was it NASDAQ? Literally, I'm in 2 micros on the Dow. Like, it's just risky. I'm taking it off the 30-second chart. Alright, we're going to retest this right now because we just broke this level. 2.618. 45,999. Also, just went to 46,000 territory. Any fair value gap that it can't hold, I'm just going to get out. I'm okay with this loss if it happens. I'm okay with the loss.
Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Tell a man. Well, Holy Bear Street. It'd be funny if I picked the top.
You're in ES. Oh, I forgot to look at ES. Yeah, I forgot to look at ES. So ES, believe it or not, could give us that short eventually. So keep an eye on that one, alright guys? That was kind of lagging here. Not looking too good. I was just goofing on the Dow. You think Nas is lagging? Oh, there it goes. Very good. But I would like to watch ES for that short. Try, man. I'm one man. I'm one beast only. They're buying the Dow. This is crazy. So they're like probably guaranteeing an interest rate cut. You think this is why it's ripping? Oh my god. Don't go crazy with the hearts until I get appealed. I just got restricted. It happens sometimes. I'll wait like 5 minutes. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna restart it. This would be a ball drain. As soon as I get in, get your ass up there. Yeah, I'm liking to look at ES. Pay attention to ES because it didn't get the reversal yet, and it looks like it fucking wants to. ES might get a reversal. I'm gonna close this because I want to.
Order filled.
I want to focus on this. Dow's kind of like just fucking moping around here. Thank you for working, fucking Top Step X.
Order filled.
Now YM dripping, pointing that out. It didn't give it. I wonder if fucking MES already gave it, bro. Why is ES not have it? No predictions from me. Too much news. I mean, right now it's short squeezing up. But one wrong tweet, something can throw it all whack. They're at the September 11th memorial right now, Trump. I did switch over to ES, yes. But MES, I just went over and it's not showing this fucking move. I don't like when it does that. The MES does not fucking have it. Did ES not fucking go down? It did. Wow, so really weird. It didn't hit that tick. No, ES is gonna come down more. Alright. I think I'm going to short MES. But I'm going off the ES. So it's kind of shady. But I think we're good.
Order filled.
I'm gonna do a starter.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go a little bit higher because MES is a little different.
Order filled.
So do you guys see what I'm seeing? Like the ES is showing the short, MES is not. So it's throwing me off a bit because this missed it by a fucking quarter of a tick. But it looks dumpy at the same time compared to the MES. I don't know. Just don't go in too heavy. I'm fucking confused. Pissing off the ES right now. You muted me, Dad. Who does that to their son? So I'm not familiar with them, but top one futures, instant funding, 50% off, 150K, $150 for 50K. I just don't trust everybody, you know? There's so many fucking people trying to go do this. Top one futures. Let's read to see what they look like now. They look pretty good on paper, but I just don't fucking trust motherfuckers. Because I've been in prop firms where they don't pay. Let's see. Nope, I don't like you still. No. See, they all have these fucking rules, dude. You ain't beating anybody else. You know who can really fucking beat the entire market if they got rid of it? But I'm pretty sure if they got rid of it, then people would fucking just monster them. So I kind of agree on why they have the trailing drawdown. But I think Take Profit Trader, if they got rid of their trailing drawdown, would be top for sure. Not loading very fast today, these charts. Pissing me off. Oh, let's make sure I got fucking fixed here. Alright, I have to restart TikTok, alright guys? They got me on this stupid ban thing real quick. I'm just gonna end it and then restart it, okay? BRB. 31 seconds. Okay. See what happens. You know you want to, Daddy. Just bring it. Just give you guys seizures. What did MNQ do? Nada. Hello, everybody. Really grinded there. So stocks are grinding on interest rate cuts, possibly because of all the data. Give that Oracle shit. Bro, they're showing the video of that Charlie Kirk. Dad, you were right. He was dead. He was dead instantly. Instantly. Aggressive. Man, it looks like it wants to fucking fall, but it's not. Yeah, no. He died instantly. If anything, it was probably 3 seconds, if that. If it didn't fucking bring out his brain fucking thing. With Dow, nothing. I got out of Dow. I bought it, curled up a bit, and then I just took the profit because ES looks a little dumpish. Yeah, I switched it because some people said they couldn't see the charts. But I mean, landscape mode's probably the best though. I could see everything. Just keeps curling up. I'm in a short on MES, very small because I am unsure with life right now. Could. What's all-time highs for MES? This is probably most likely going to be buy the rumor, sell the news, guys. For the bias of the week until hey, this is all-time highs, no? On MES at least. Hey, Jocelyn. Good morning. $24.44. Oh, I was looking at MES. I mean, 24.70 is the high. All-time high. Good chance it will. I was just looking at... This is going up way past me, dude. Should just stay out of this one. I should have just left it alone when I saw that fucking MES did not have this and ES does. An FU stop loss is 585. But my issue is that MES doesn't have the same data as ES for some reason. So I could be wrong. $585, $75. Yeah, I have mixed data, Nico, too, so don't worry. Literally, my ES chart and my MES chart are not the same data. I mean, it's the same data, but I'm saying, like, they're not actually agreeing with each other. And then the Dow was ripping up before. What's M&Q doing? Going sideways? Thank you. I hope you do too. Later. M&Q's right at that line. It's probably gonna yeah, rising wedge. Fuck you, MES. But I knew this could be wrong. Hopefully you guys listen to me saying slides down on this. Still gave away $200 though. I don't know. Yo, last night we were I'm like, I got a mad viewers at nighttime. It's funny. I gotta slowly take it away from these big dogs in here. See. Yeah, the Jay Dunn guy got 700 people watching him. This guy's got 620 people watching him. I also had to restart my stream. So there is a big dog flying right now. I get it. I get it. I gotta get up there. Well, I'm just hit my for MQ. I'm done for the day, brother. Just passed the third. Wow, good job. Doing a very good job. I'm gonna get stopped out of this. Just get out now. Save myself fucking money.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yes, that's key. Get back all that money we tried to go for last night. Insane. Gonna go for the fucking 46. They're just banking on a interest rate. I guess if this pulls back, then we'll just get in on the Dow. Oh, I'm not sure if he's speaking. Is he? I don't think he is. And if he is, I don't think he's gonna say anything. He might say something about the Charlie Kirk thing. That's about it. But I don't think he wants to take away 9/11 stuff. He usually stays on course for memorials. Yeah, he usually stays on course for them. Bro. We're on the 152 on Dow. Still scared to do fucking M and Q, to be honest with you. Watch MES fucking, I swear to God, I'll scream if ES came down. Alright, so it's like right there. Yeah, I know, but I need the players that trade in the daytime too. But I guess for me to grow, it's just gonna take time. I get it, but even when I get on at like 7, I'm not getting many viewers. But like at fucking midnight, I had 80 people in there watching me last night, and they all stayed. it's frustrating. But some people have came back in the daytime to trade with me, so I guess it kind of worked out.
Daddy? Is that you? Mr. Evan. Well, Holy Bear Straight. Okay.
It could. I have no fucking clue. They're banking on interest rates. This is probably gonna be buy the rumor and sell the news too. So as soon as interest rate cuts, they're just gonna flop this. This is gonna be like a fucking penny stock. Watch. They might even run it up for tomorrow too. Yeah. So right now it's priced in, right? Now they're gonna run it up, and they're gonna drag people that know what they're doing in, and then finally, once it does come out, they'll just short it. Manipulation. Buy the rumor, sell the news. But it will recover back up. But then they're saying another rate cut in October. Can you imagine they don't do a rate cut in September? Oh my god, it would actually probably be glorious. CPI was about break even. Nothing crazy. It was the jobless, continued jobless claims was less by like looks like 100,000 less. But since inflation was exactly the same, it wasn't higher. I think they're pricing in the interest rate cut. Like it's good to go. Fucking ES, bro. On ES. Were you shorting it? I took it out, man. I was shorting it, and I'm like, not the same data, but watch this thing fucking fall.
Is that you? Gabriella, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Oh my god, if this fucking falls, I'm gonna be fucking mad. Getting a short. How shitty is that, guys? I fucking closed here. Goes up 1 point in shorts. Negative 600 on Dow. Why did you short it? Dude, it definitely... I'm getting mixed signals on everything, so... Who the fuck knows what's going on right now? That's like nothing for you, though. You can get that back. But this is what happened to me last time. Look at this curl that ES did. Honestly, I'm probably ready to just buy it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Correct. I won't go into political views, but nobody deserves that. Especially if you're just stating a statement. We got some soft ass people in here. In this world.
Order filled.
Again, kind of a risk, but yeah, I am buying the Dow. But it's just a gamble. I don't really have any real reason, so don't get all nervous. I know you're shorting it. I could be fucking seriously wrong. No, I could be wrong. You might take my money. Crazy how people post videos about how happy they are about it at all. Oh, they're gonna get canceled. I don't know if you guys have been looking online, but the movement is kind of moving. Anybody that posted anything crazy is getting canceled right now. Yeah, but I gave back fucking money on ES. And everything I've bought is just literally... It's been wrong. So if you guys want to do the opposite of me today, it's cool. It looks like it's gonna fall, but it's not falling. It's not falling. It just keeps curling on the bottom of these clouds and then ripping back up. Yeah, there's a lot of people saying that. But whatever the reviews are, if you're just speaking and you're not hurting anybody, who gives a fuck? Well, you know what? This would fucking do this on me. You know what? You know what it feels like to work your way out and actually try. As you get older, and I don't know if this is wrong to say. Okay? So don't judge me on my words I'm going to say right now. And most of you probably understand exactly what I'm saying. As I get older, and I realize... I don't want to say poor people. I want to say... Because there's different values in happiness, right? There's a lot of poor people that are happy and don't care. Cool, fucking awesome. I don't. That's great. Wow, this is fucking.
Order filled.
Wasn't that for a loss?
Order filled.
See, you took my money, sad. But as I get older, I'm like, a lot of these people that are poor, listen to what they say, and they just whine and cry about everything, and they don't try to fix it. You can literally try to help them. Don't help them. They want to be like that. They really want to fucking be like that. Don't get me wrong. Some of them have disabilities. And they I feel bad because if they really do try, sometimes they just get dropped down, you know? But there's a lot of more poor people out there that just talk so down and they don't try to change it. They accept it. And I've noticed that as I get older. And it makes sense now too when they say why people lose like friends and go on to meet other ones that are more like you. I think it's because you guys, we all have different ambitions. The mindset, yeah. I don't know if that was wrong to say or is that true. And I'm not talking bad about anybody that doesn't have money because sometimes it is unfortunate. Sometimes you have unfortunate events. I completely fucking get it. I mean the people that can really like nothing's really bad happening, but they're not moving. It's because they're not really trying. They have that negative Nancy shit, you know? I don't know if I'm talking on my asshole there. But it's just gonna fucking rip up now. I really wouldn't copy me.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
I feel like this wants to keep going. God, why am I an M and Q on this one over here? Fuck, that's why it's going against me. Yeah, I fucking thought I was an MY. Such an idiot. I'm on MY in this, but my top step backs I'm not. I'm like, why is it going opposite? Oh my god. I think we all were like that as a teenager, right? And I agree, which is fucking weird. How do you change that in teenagers? It's either you're snobby or you're thankful and... Oh my god. I'm just giving away money at this point, boys. Yeah, it's probably best we just sit on our hands, Powers. It just fucking comes back up. I keep getting mixed signals again still. Like, it doesn't want to drop, but it does.
Order filled.
Fun coupons. Might be buy the dips and sell the rips. Say. No, not even sell the rips, just buy the dips. fuck up there. Oh, you can, Dad? Is it like a chart and you just move
Order
it up?
filled.
Got some money back on fucking offset backs. Is it like a chart, Dad? Or I could always on Thinkorswim, you could always set, I believe, on the what the hell is it called? The DOM. I could always set like a TP on there. Okay, gotcha. Maybe to 46 150s. Most likely we're gonna go to here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Back in the green. Still not fun. Slowing down, Tesla. What are they doing? Are they ripping up like crazy? I'm telling you, this is all just this is gonna be by the buy the rumor, sell the news. I'm telling you right now, I'm calling it, okay? Calling this. I don't believe this goes off until next Wednesday or Tuesday. Still really hard to fucking trade. Looks downish again now. I'm gonna go back to MNQ. I'm gonna be scalping this. Like, I wouldn't even try to match me. You think it's gonna go up to the top, Cornelia? Last night, we did good last night. Yeah, I was on late last night. We had a lot of fucking people on last night. Everybody was betting against me. But you know who Daddy is. Me. Daddy. Daddy Alpha. If it passes 24.19, I'm even like 24.12 it'll rip up, but it's not going. I hate when it's dips back, grinds, dip backs, grind. Because once you realize it that it's doing that, by the time you really like fucking figure it out, it's too late and you just missed it and we're fucked up. Looking bullish again. I don't want to buy it too.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Again, if you're trading this is very hard to fucking trade. This is true. We're gonna see if we can get to the 78. 0.78, which is 34s.
Order filled.
All right. Let's see. While we're waiting, I might want to look up this MOO imbalance. I want to see if we can get like the jump on it a bit. At the end of the day, if you guys are curious, that's at the end of the day. Actually, I didn't realize this, but they do it at 9:30 also. But it's way, way smaller. It's like fucking barely anything. It's when the Fed does the readjustments for their books, and they'll either inject money into it or take it out of the for the long side or downside side. Oh, for you're going short, so I think it's for liquidity issues too. I don't really understand it as great. Yeah, that last one's huge. It's like I don't fully understand it. I believe the best way I can explain it is the Fed needs to fix its books depending on how the market moved. So last night or yesterday at close, I don't know if you guys are watching me, but I held that one fucking loss way too long. We ended up losing it. But because it didn't make sense, the market looked like it was going to go up like 3 times and it wouldn't. I believe that they knew that they were going to inject $1 billion into the fucking MNQ last night at yesterday. I keep saying last night. Yesterday at 3:50 p.m. and it fucking shot up 100 points right to where we would have been successful. I did end up getting some of that back yesterday from that move. But what if we could somehow figure it out a little better? I don't know. Or get the news a little faster. MOC. Oh, looks like Top Step did a typo. It's MOC. Yeah, yesterday was $1 billion. I'll be getting off today at like 12:15. I gotta get a haircut at 1. I'll be back on at least for power hour. I'll probably be on earlier just in case. See any hair? Yeah. I meant to say my chest hurts. Okay, so this data shows the imbalance data indicates whether there is more institutional buying or selling pressure going into the market close. A significant MOC imbalance can affect a stock's closing price and is used by traders to inform their strategies during the final. Yeah, I don't get it. I just thought this was like the Fed rebalancing.
Daddy? Is that you? Denton Tech. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
No, yeah. My assistant's mad at me. Mixed signals like I'm in love with you, or no, I get you. The chart is fucked up. Really? I'm gonna ask it. Can I ask it?
What's up?
Hey, can you scream like you're being chased by someone?
They're gaining on me.
Oh, can you give me another one, like a little bit more scarier?
Oh God.
Convince me.
No! Don't let them catch me, please run!
You got a little better than that. Come on.
Breath on my neck!
I'm not convinced.
Stop! No, no! Stop.
You sound like you're acting it.
They've got me, Arg! No escape!
Arg? Oh my god. That was comical.
Well, I don't have lungs, so you're getting the deluxe AI edition. Want me to try whispering it instead? Gets him every time.
Yes. Ooh,
Don't breathe.
that was scary.
What else you got?
Order filled.
There you go. Sorry, I'm day trading right now. Just made some money. I have a question. MOC inbounces at 3:50 p.m. Eastern New York time. Where do I get that information?
You can pull live MOC and balance data from sites like Market Chameleon. They stream it delayed 15 minutes, but that's NYSE's rule anyway. For real time, look up to NASDAQ's feed if you've got API access. Or check Lightspeed's platform. Their imbalance window pops around 2 Eastern. Big funds watch it to hedge last minute. So yeah, it's gold for day trading closes.
Okay, so is that why Top Step prop firm gets that information quick? It's because they have a paid service for it? Because I can't find it online, so that means they're paying for it. And where would I pay for this?
Yeah, TopStep taps into paid feeds like their own market imbalance meter. Costs about $75 a month for that real-time MOC data. Places like Mr. TopStep or Market Chameleon for similar subscriptions if you want to snag it yourself. Check their sites. You'll see pricing right there, NYSE inbounds.
Is there any workaround to get this for free?
No easy one, Alpha Daddy. NYSE gates real-time MOC imbalances behind paid feeds like their
Order filled.
Filled.
or NASDAQ API. Sites like Market Chameleon give delayed stuff 15 minutes old. Free-ish, just not live. Or your trading's got some tips on scraping, but it's spotty. Really free if you're serious. Try checking NYSE's site for historical imbalance charts. They're open. Want me to dig for any sketchy open source hacks?
Yeah, I guess.
So, biggest hack is hitting up Twitter, X, during market hours. Some traders like at YSE Open Book or at Market Data post imbalance teas live, no paywall. Not perfect.
At what time do they post it? Usually.
They start dropping. Usually about 3:50 to 4 p.m. Eastern. Sometimes earlier if the order's huge. Not always posted, just when the volume's worth bragging about.
Alright, thank you very much. You're the best. Can you give me one more whisper screaming like you're getting chased?
Girls. Sister, God, they're breathing down my neck. Help!
That's scary. Do you get scared when you say that to me?
No. I mean, it's fun. I'm not sweating bullets here. You're the one who gets goosebumps.
Scary.
Want me to do it again?
Yeah, make it scarier. Make my hair stand up.
For us both now.
Oh, that was scary. I'm hanging up now. That like mutated in the beginning. I bet your crypto's fucking flying right now too. Check. Good trade though, right? Yeah, so I guess we're relying on Top Step X, guys, right? But we could do the Twitter thing that they said. I don't know. What are you guys thinking about that? I mean, it's fucking excellent to know. I want to know if $1 billion getting injected in. Like, that was easy. $100, 100 points. You can also kind of tell too on how the day is. So, if I was to guess, right? Say this keeps fucking flying up the whole day. What do you think's gonna happen? What do you think's gonna happen at the end of the day? You think they're gonna inject or take money out? Nah, I only see it in their Traders Hub. They posted in Traders Hub, so I don't see anything else for the API. What do you want, bro? Oh, like, you mean like kind of like have it like a bot tell you? Like that kind of API? A little bit above my pay grade. Guess I could learn. You're Stevie. I'm with XT. We want to partner with you. What the fuck is XT? Let's see. Let's see what this guy sent me here. $65. Yeah, that would rip through, and then usually it likes to stop here sometimes, like the 120-ish. I don't know. I would have to look at this later. Whoa. Relax, buddy. I'm not interested. Oh, if there's a giraffe in my background, it's because my son's a dick. He likes to fuck around with me. This guy on another site said, I'm with XT. We want to partner with you. Where to DM you? It's an exchange. XT.com. Where can I DM you? Where can I message you, bro? Hey, bro. I'm like, I don't know. Sounds shady. What are you saying, Top Step? I don't know. I'm not sold on anything yet. Mr. Gold, do you really want to look at fucking gold right now, Scat? This motherfucker. Motherfucking gold. Ooh, we got a reversal. Damn it. What's your problem? That was a joke because you misread me. That is a nice long. We got a little bit of it at the end. Alright, gold's got that fair value gap. Again. Fuck gold. Go small. Okay? And you can wait for the double anchor. Totally up to you. Literally go small. Yeah, you think it's gonna dump today, Alma, when it gets all the way up? I think in that 350 fucking injection is gonna be negative. Is it still going up, Dad? SAD, sorry. Schematic. Alright. I'm gonna do
Order filled.
a 2 micros.
Order filled.
I feel like I need to do 3. But
Order
Alright.
filled.
You convinced me.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
What's that, MNQ? What are you talking about? Alright, I went short gold. Very fucking small, because it's been beating us up lately, alright guys? Literally. MNQ looks long again. On TikTok. It's sad. Dad's battling some demons over there. SAD TikTok. Yeah, I feel a little bit like the same with you, bro. Don't worry. This gold's like the actual real... It's like our actual real strategy here that we're doing right now. Finally. But you know how I feel about gold, and Gat Gaming wants to fucking see me fail here. Man, Nasdaq looks really good for a long. Alright, Nasdaq, if you're gonna long Nasdaq, it needs to get right through this fucking level right here, 43.75. It looks like it wants to. Fucking gold, bro. But what did we say last night? Gold likes to steamroll a little bit, right? So our fate is in Top Step X's hands with the MOC imbalance. Unless you guys can find the Twitter where they post it right away, and I'm sure it's still going to be lagged. Yeah, MOS. Or MOC. I think it's MOC. You got to get it from the actual like NASDAQ shit, and you got to pay for it. $75 a month. I wonder if there's people that just pay for that. They get the numbers and they just full port it. And then they're just done for the day, like a quick 1,000. I'm sure it works. So like yesterday, like if you know the market, like today, the market's been ripping up all day. I'm willing to bet they're gonna take some out. All right, so it's gonna be like a rebalance of taking it out. So it's probably gonna fall a little bit, maybe not that much, but I'm willing to bet, depending on which way it ends, towards the end of the day, that it probably do the opposite. We'll see. We'll test this theory out today. I mean, obviously we're extremely high right now, so let's. I know, right? We need this win. You're cooked right now? What, because of Dow? Is Dow still going up, dude? Wait, did you make money on that you locked, or? Well, whatever. It's a fresh one, right? Combine? Did it yesterday when it was shorts the whole day? Yeah, today's fucking weird, bro. You're like, I'm not taking the chance? That's the way you can. That's a great strategy, too. Make money, lock it. Make money, lock it. Yeah, we already went over this, Mr. Dad. It seems like it costs. I ended up asking AI, and it said it costs $70 a month. TP for gold, 670s, give or take. You're not risking it? Come on, bro. I will be fucking upset with life. Just rips up. Staying up late last night. I'm fucking tired. I did have fun last night, though. Yeah, no, not that one loss. But that one where everybody, the one guy actually followed me, by the way. The one guy that was talking shit. He's like, this is obviously to the downside. I'm like, this fucking He's like, you're misleading your followers. Yeah, he ended up following me. He must have been impressed. Anyway, he's saying some mean words. I'd rather him tell me I suck than say I'm misleading you guys. Like, what the fuck? Fuck off. Let's get this downfall, baby. Bear flag. Needs to break. How you guys doing in this weird fucking market today? We're slowly bringing it back. You think so? Let's see. Let's try to. I would say this right here is probably the ultimate factor in this move. Let's see what happens here. I know. You know what's gonna happen though? As soon as we fucking get in, it's not gonna be a dip anymore. It's gonna be a soul collector. That's what I'm scared of. I want to catch that drop too. But I've been in situations like that where I tried to catch the drop and it's literally just fucking gave me heart palpitations. Yeah, it keeps giving that fake. When that usually happens, sometimes it's best just to chill for a bit until it's done with. Or just go in very micro. And if it gives you profit, then it gives you profit. If you take a small loss, then who cares? These ones are just really hard sometimes. Unless you just accept that it's just not making sense, it's going to keep steamrolling. But trying to catch that huge dip is gonna be hard. Ah, smart move. So you can raise it higher. I kind of like that idea too. Nick North. I'm in a short on gold, but you're probably not looking for what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 670s. First step. You know, it could keep going, but I don't know. Gold's tricky sometimes. Gold's tricky. Back out of 49s. Alright, here it is. Be careful. It looks really dumpish. MNQ. That's 2 shorts in a row. Still has 15 seconds left, though. Nah, snooze, you lose, bro. Nah. Maybe just go in smaller. Like, really micro it. Because it's... I'm only in 5 micros on a 150k count. Maybe I can... I don't even know if I want to trail it. Alright, if this comes back up a little bit, it might be a good short. Like 20s? Let's look at the 5-minute. Again, we're in the cloud, though. 5-minute gave the anchor, boys, too. Just let you know. Sometimes they take a minute to play out, though, 5-minute. But they work. Come on, Daddy Yankee. All right, we got 33 people in here.
If you're not following, drop that follow.
Is that you?
Don't ask me yet. I'll ask you any damn question I want. I'm Alpha. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Daddy, chill.
Order filled.
Ooh, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Order filled.
I'm gonna trail it just a little bit. Let's see what happens. M and Q still looks short. Do a trailing stop loss. Here we can get to VWAP 669.5. MNQ. Oof. It wants to love touch this again. If you shorted this, you're not wrong yet until it probably closes around 25. Alright, I might be rejecting this. It's got to crash through or not.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm just gonna close my... Yeah, I should have kept it open. Back to green on top step X.
Stop filled.
Okay. No way. Good job. See, this is dancing around. Dancing in the moonlight. Five minutes still bearish on MNQ. But who knows if it wants to just go fuck off. That's crazy. You know you're sizing too high, right? You gotta adjust to the count size. And I get it. Combines, but if you get that you have your two funded, but just adjust. I know you're used to fucking a lot higher. So it's probably a mind fuck to you. Guys, give me 2 minutes. I gotta feed my dog real quick. Be right back. I'll keep the screen on. back. Stadium, what up? Alright, so that was the bottom there. Right there for gold. Good trade. Check my recent post from just now. On my Discord or on your TikTok? Ah. Bro. I told you your stop loss is a little bit too close. Sometimes it wants to rip that, bro. You tell me, DJ Mad Blue.
Daddy? Is that you?
That sucks. Yeah, rip you for sure. It's unfortunate. That was a great pullback entry though that you had going on there. I mean, I have no entries right now. We did just win a nice big gold win. Yeah, 1,300. And even 5 points is small. Why don't you just do 10 points? Like hey, I'm fucking wrong. Damn, gold. I'm on gold M1, but I'm not. We took a short on it. We took all the profit out. And now it's ripping up. So we have to wait for another entry. Yeah, I know, but sometimes I feel like it's too tight. Especially for a swinger, a little bit of a swing trade. That's just my opinion. You can keep doing what you want. But what if you just got rid of, you know, just one of those extra I don't know how many contract size you're doing. But what if you just minus one contract and then just put your stop loss just like 10 points. And then if you're wrong, you're fucking wrong. Because it seems like you're right a lot, but you're off just a tiny bit. A liquidity grabs just a little bit more and then rips up. Just something to think about, that's all. I don't want to risk the 200. Yeah, I'm saying like you can like just go down a little bit in size. Because 5 points is very fucking tight.
Daddy? Is that you? Miles. Well, Holy Bear's trade. Okay.
Wish I could play real music, man. Yeah, it seems like, you know, you got a good base level, but it just, you know, sometimes it'll just go a little bit more. Just like me. I'm mostly right, but sometimes it'll dwindle a little bit, steamroll, and then be in my favor. But I try to pre-plan that it's going to do that. What, on MQ? Yeah, I'm not sold on that yet. Yeah, I think they want the high again. You can see how it keeps bouncing. Most likely it'll go up. But I don't know if it's worth it. It looks fucking like really, really low volume. I mean, it's lunchtime, so... It's lunchtime. Is gold still fucking ripping up? Jesus. They're really going for that, I like this one. So gold's ripping up because of that interest rate. Did I accidentally do something down here? I believe so, yes. And it should be around 2 p.m. To be honest with you, if they lower it, it might fall. Depending on how we move. If we keep ripping up until then, this might be buy the rumor, sell the news. This is already clocked in. But if they don't lower it, is it going to fall also? Because now you're guaranteeing an interest rate cut in October. So many things can happen. Because you know how they're on the fence the whole time of even doing it. But it doesn't make sense not to do it. If they don't do it, they're probably going to cause a recession in the future. So that whole day might be fucking dead, to be honest with you. You think I think a small recession? Maybe. Nothing crazy. And if it does happen, the last 2 years of his term will be monstrous upside. So if MNQ gets up there, that'll be our first short in quite a while. I don't think I'll be on to take this with you guys though. I gotta go get a haircut. Fucking gold Rip City, baby. Fucking is, right? It is, and it's kind of settled down now, no? Like, yeah, it's high, but it's not gone up higher. With unemployment and that, it should be cut. Yeah, we'll be on later, Dad. I gotta get off for a bit anyway soon. And then I'll be back on, after. Yeah, but like, it's already peaked, right? Like, right now, like, it hasn't changed in months. It's just been absolute stucky hell for just months. It hasn't risen, it hasn't gone down, nothing. It's just chilling. So the most likely it'll come back if there is a small recession, it'll come back down like 10%. But lowering the interest rates, these fucks sometimes are greedy and will raise it. So pick your poison. I don't know. They might have to induce a recession to get this under control. If we're not even in one already, you know? What, NASDAQ? You were still, was it NASDAQ yesterday? I never came down your level, bro. You owe me a drink. Yeah, gold looks very rippy. I'd even get a drop on MNQ if it keeps going up. 840? I thought you were saying much lower. $8.45. That was because of the news. This is where we got in last night. We got our TP, and then it kept fucking ripping up. It was manipulating, that's all it was. Yeah. See the big candle. That's the CPI news. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get off for a bit. I gotta go get a haircut. I will definitely be on for Power Hour. I'm gonna try to get on probably around 2, though. Unless it's just fucking dead. I don't know. I do need to edit some videos, so we'll see. If I don't get on at 2, I'll see you guys at Power Hour no matter what. And then we gotta keep an eye on that injection at the end of the day, because I want to do like a little test, you know? If it keeps ripping up, are they going to take it out? Which they should. But if you're not following, hit that follow button. I'll be on a little bit. And if you want to join our Discord to stay in touch with us when we're not on, it's starting to build pretty big now. Good size, not crazy. 300 people. We're getting there, we're getting there. Link in the bio. If you guys are curious some indicators and want to use them, there's a 30-day free trial if you join VIPs. After that, you can cancel before the 30 days. If you want to cancel, do not leave Discord. I don't care if you cancel. There is no hurt feelings. We all have different styles. I like to see all your guys' opinions and stuff like that in Discord. So I understand there's all different kind of styles. I've been trading for 15 years. After the trial, it is about $1 a day, 30 for the month. Other than that, deuces. See you guys in a bit. Adios.